Are you still marketing like it is 2020? In 2025, digital marketing has evolved into something smarter, faster, and powered by artificial intelligence. If you want to thrive, not just survive, you need to understand the new rules of the game. Today, we are revealing the real secrets to crushing it as a digital marketer in 2025. Let us dive into what it takes to stand out and succeed in this rapidly changing landscape. Success in 2025 starts with rethinking how marketing works. It is no longer just about search engine optimization hacks or running ads. Now, it is about building trust through smart automation, value-packed content, and personalized experiences. Digital marketers are no longer just advertisers. They are creators, data scientists, storytellers, and engineers all rolled into one. If you want to stand out, you need to blend creativity with technical mastery. Here is the game changer. Artificial intelligence tools are not optional anymore. They are mandatory for speed, scale, and strategy. Top marketers are using tools like ChatGPT for content generation, SurferSEO for optimized articles, Midjourney and Canva for scroll-stopping visuals, Jasper, WriteSonic, and Copy.ai for ads and landing pages, and Mueka.ai to generate audio and video assets in seconds. If you are not using artificial intelligence in your workflow, you are already 10 steps behind. In 2025, people consume content fast, swipe even faster, and scroll endlessly. That is why short-form content rules the digital landscape. Platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and LinkedIn Clips are where attention lives. Each 15-second clip you publish is a micro-brand moment. Hook viewers with storytelling, educate, inspire, and always include a call to action. Every second counts when you are building your brand. Think email is old school? Think again. With artificial intelligence-powered segmentation and hyper-personalized sequences, email marketing has become a silent revenue machine. Tools like Behave, MailerLite, and ConvertKit let you send the right message to the right person at exactly the right time. In 2025, email is not just alive. It is thriving and driving results for those who use it wisely. Your face may not be on camera, but your voice, your ideas, and your consistency build trust. Even faceless creators are building personal brands through thought leadership on LinkedIn, YouTube automation videos, podcast-style shorts, and microblogging on X, formerly known as Twitter. In 2025, people buy from people, even if those people are avatars or voices behind the scenes. The best marketers do not guess, they test. And they do not just track clicks, they analyze behaviors. Use tools like Google Analytics 4, Hotjar, Looker Studio, and HubSpot to turn raw data into clear actions. Learn what converts, then scale what works. Data-driven decisions are the backbone of successful digital marketing in 2025. The one-platform strategy is risky. Algorithms change and platforms can fall out of favor overnight. The winners in 2025 are those who go omni-channel, combining blogs, YouTube, email, Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest. Repurpose your content, cross-promote, and stay visible everywhere your audience spends time. Success as a digital marketer in 2025 comes down to this. Adapt faster than trends fade, leverage artificial intelligence instead of fearing it, publish relentlessly, track what works, and build real connections, even from behind the scenes. And most importantly, keep learning. If you found this helpful, check out our channel for more faceless reviews on artificial intelligence tools, content automation, and income-generating strategies in the digital age. Drop a comment with your favorite tool or tactic for digital marketing in 2025. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay ahead of the marketing game.